The topic is solving systems of equations word problems. Step 1, read the problem. Step 2, identify the variables. In a system of two equations, there will be two variables. Write two equations, then solve. Example 1. The school that Shanice goes to is selling tickets to the annual dance competition. On the first day of ticket sales, the school sold 10 adult tickets and 7 child tickets for a total of $170. The school took in $172.60 on the second day by selling 2 adult tickets and 14 child tickets. What is the price each of 1 adult ticket and 1 child ticket? The answer to this question will provide the variables. A equals the price of an adult ticket. C equals the price of a child ticket. I now need to set up two equations. I reread the sentences. On the first day, the school sold 10 adult tickets and 7 child tickets for $170. So 10 times the price of an adult ticket, 10A, plus 7 times the price of a child ticket equals $170. On the second day, 2 adult tickets and 14 child tickets added up to $172.60. 2A plus 14C equals 172.60. I can use any method to solve these two equations, but I notice that they're lined up, so I want to use elimination. I decide to multiply the top equation by -2. I multiply every term in the top equation by -2. I leave the second equation alone. Now add and solve the system. Now plug in the value of A into one of the original equations. I choose the top equation because it looks easier to me. 10 times 9.30 plus 7C equals 170. Now solve to find C. The answer to the original question, then, is that the price of an adult ticket is $9.30 and the price of a child ticket is $11. Pause the video and try this problem yourself. Now that you've tried it yourself, check your work. You can get the variables from the question at the end. What is the cost of 1 rose bush and the cost of 1 pot of ivy? R is the cost of 1 rose bush. P is the cost of 1 pot of ivy. You can use any letters. Now set up the equations. 5 rose bushes and 6 pots of ivy, 5R plus 6P equals 63. These were Leah's costs. Danielle's costs were $127 for 13 rose bushes and 11 pots, so 13R plus 11P equals 127. Notice in this pair of equations it will not be easy to find an opposite. We'll need to multiply both equations. I choose the second set of terms because I think 6 and 11 are easier to multiply by than 5 and 13. I take the 11 and multiply the top equation by 11. I multiply the bottom equation by 6. I need to make one of these negative, so I make the 6 negative. Now multiply both equations and solve. Plug the value of r into one of the original equations. I choose the first one. 5r plus 6p equals 63. Now solve for p. The answer to the original question, then, is that the cost of a rose bush is $3 and the cost of one pot of ivy is $8. Please use these examples to help you when you complete your homework. Thank you.